Hello everyone, myself BISWAJIT Chakraborty, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Department at SRIST College. Today's presentation includes draft tube of hydraulic turbine of power engineering. First of all, let's see what the draft tube thing is. In reaction turbine, the water after doing work in the runner passage onto the tail race through a tube called draft tube, which is a welded steel plate pipe or a concrete tunnel having gradually increasing cross-sectional area towards the outlet. The draft tube connects the runner exit to the tail race. Purposes of draft tube. If water is allowed to discharge freely into atmosphere from the runner, the turbine will work under a head equal to the head of head race water level above the runner outlet. But by providing an airtight draft tube, it is possible to establish a negative head at the outlet by an amount equal to the height of the runner outlet above the tail race. Thus, by providing a draft tube, it is possible to install the turbine above the tail race without loss of head. This makes inspection and repairing work of the turbine easy. If the turbine is allowed to discharge freely into atmosphere, the water leaves the runner with high velocity and considerably kinetic energy of water is lost with the discharge water. By using a draft tube of increasing cross-sectional area, the velocity of outgoing water is reduced. This results in gain in pressure head. Let's take a look at some of the draft tube classifications. First of all, straight divergent type. The shape of the tube is like a frustum of a cone with maximum cone angle of 10 degree. If the cone angle is more than 10 degree, loss of height will occur due to cavitation. The lower end of the tube is submerged nearly 1 meter in the tail race. This type of draft tube is used in Francis turbine. Next one, simple elbow type draft tube. This draft tube requires less excavation for its installations. Both ends of the tube are circular. Since its efficiency is very low, normally it is not used. Elbow with varying cross section. It requires larger excavation work. As the outlet cross section is larger, so velocity head at outlet is very small. It is used in Kaplan turbine. The efficiency of any type of elbow draft tube lies between 60 to 70%. What turbine does not require draft tube? Using draft tube, the pressure at the exit point of the turbine increases and becomes equal to the surrounding pressure. Only reaction turbine require a draft tube as there is low pressure at the exit of the turbine, whereas in simple impulse turbine, inlet and the exit is essentially the same, which is above the pressure to which the fluid rejected, and thus it require no draft tube. Thank you all.